Hi and welcome. Today we're gonna visit IKEA in Qatar and see what the differences are from IKEA in Sweden, where I'm from. Here at the entrance we see the first thing that is different, and that is that the yellow bags are a type of trolley, and there's also an attendant to help out, which we don't have in Sweden. The next different thing is the local collections. Since Qatar is a Muslim country, they have a special Ramadan collection, which I thought was kind of interesting. And of course, the food options, there's the Swedish meatballs, it has to be there. Then they had shawarma, they had salmon, they even had fruit salad, pizza, and paella. I would like to try that the next time. They all look very yummy. We don't have, the only thing I think we have there is the meatballs. We don't have loaded fries. There was also a live cooking station, but nobody was there, so it wasn't very live. But we don't have that either. No, we have the restaurant where there's somebody who distributes the trolleys, and we definitely do not have that. The checkout is almost the same, it's just that we have self checkouts, and I didn't see them in Qatar. The Swedish food items, of course, is a must. So recommend you try them next time you go to IKEA. So the restaurant outside the checkouts also has some local flavor, some shawarma and karak tea, and of course the hot dog that is a staple at IKEA has to be halal, so no pork. So when leaving, it says hej då, which means goodbye in Swedish. So hej då, see you soon, bye. So is this IKEA in Qatar better than the one in Sweden where it's originally from? I think so. They have some services that we don't have, also some items that we don't have. I bought a plate that we don't have in Sweden. So does the IKEA in Qatar look different than the one in your country if you have IKEA? Do leave a comment and let me know. Bye bye.